Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Owlet Dream Sock update in a progress. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First is ensure proper connection. Check that the smart sock is securely connected to both the base station and the Dream Sock app. Okay, make sure there are the obstruction or interference affecting to the connection. Okay, second is check sock placement. Verify that the smart sock in the correct size for your baby's foot. Ensure that the sock is snugly and correctly placed on your baby's foot as per the manufacturer instruction. Okay. Third is power cycle base station. Unplug the base station from the power source. Wait for the at least 3 minutes to allow any residual power to dissipate. Okay, and plug the base station back and wait for the restart. Okay. Reset sensor and base station. Locate the reset button on the base station, usually a small pinhole. Use a paper clip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the base station to reset. Okay. Update Dream Sock app. Open an app store on your mobile device. Okay. Search for Dream Sock app. If update is available, then update. Okay. And then install the latest version. If all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact Owlet support customer for further assistance. Provide them the details about your specific problem and step you have already taken to troubleshoot. Okay. So this is our all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.